Item Number: SCP-226. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedure: SCP-226 is to be kept in a locked cabinet within the site. Secure Item Storage Unit. Any person wishing to use SCP-226 must have approval from any personnel with at least Level 3 security clearance. Description: SCP-226 is a cardboard box, measuring roughly 30 cm by 20 cm by 4 cm. It has a lid that fits securely over the bottom half, as with any common puzzle box. The surface of the box is a deep black, with the word, "Fear," scrawled with white ink on the upper right corner of its lid. Within the box are 1,000 cardboard puzzle pieces, each measuring roughly 2 cm in diameter, also considered SCP-226. When completed, the puzzle always forms in a rectangular shape. However, the design and order in which the pieces fit together change with use. SCP-226 aligns itself with whoever initially opens the box. When opened, the pieces change design, and the completed image will show what has been discovered to be the greatest fear of the person who it is aligned to. The image on the pieces do not change after the box has been opened. Recorded images on SCP-226 are as follows: a bloated corpse, sinking underwater. A set of gallows with several nooses attached. A person screaming, with hundreds of small spiders crawling out of his mouth. A darkened window, with a mutilated hand scraping across it. SCP-682. A human figure completely covered in various insects such as bees or centipedes. The cross-section of a coffin buried in dirt, with a person inside slamming her fists on inside of the lid. When completed and taken back apart, the lid of SCP-226's box will fly through the air and secure itself back on the lower half. The puzzle pieces will disappear, presumably returning back into the box. SCP-226 will then become unaligned, and align itself with the next person to open the box. Additional notes: SCP-226 was first discovered by now-defunct Mobile Task Force 12 on 19. At the time, the task force was investigating reports of a possible SCP in a series of tunnels underneath a church in the city of. Due to an equipment malfunction, MTF-12 had lost communication with the surface, and was stranded within the tunnels until repairs were made. The task force discovered SCP-226 on a wooden table within a stone room, surrounded by several chairs. Believing it to be a simple puzzle, MTF-12 decided to open SCP-226 to pass the time. When completed, SCP-226 depicted the exact scene of MTF-12 sitting at the table working on a puzzle. However, Agent appeared to be viciously stabbing several other members of the task force with a standard-issue combat knife. The puzzle was taken apart, transporting back to its box. Repairs were soon made, and MTF-12 returned to the surface. Note: regrettably, an accident en route to the surface caused the death of Agent.